Here I came back with soba noodle bowl, and we are starting with cleaning our broccoli. Place the broccoli pieces in cold water with vinegar.
So don't let me go, nah, nah, nah.
Bring a pot of water to a boil. In the meantime, julienne carrots.
Go, nah, nah. Just let me know.
Cook the soba noodle according to package directions. Prepare your sauce.
I wanna stay, I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exception.
Rinse the cooked soba noodle with cold water, drain, and set aside. Put the steamer basket in the same pot. Add the chopped broccoli and carrot stripes. Cover the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes.
I'm in love, yeah.
For the topping, slice of nori and avocado.
Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love.
To assemble, divide noodles, vegetables, sliced avocado, and nori.
But let me know.